can Callisto be conducive to life like other icy worlds with water mantles under their surfaces? Well, life as we know it requires liquid water and energy to exist. Callisto might have an ocean of liquid water under its surface, but being about 800 million kilometers away from the Sun, it barely receives any heat from our star. And the absence of tidal forces doesn't help either, leaving radioactive elements the only source of heat to warm this subsurface ocean, if it exists. And unfortunately, even visiting Callisto won't prove anything. Moons like Europa and Enceladus have vents ejecting water directly from their subsurface oceans, meaning we can investigate habitability prospects without ever going into the oceans themselves. No such vents exist on Callisto, so scientists would have to penetrate the crust in order to find out. All these things combined mean that, unfortunately, scientists think that the environmental conditions necessary for life appear to be less favorable on Callisto than on any other icy worlds. Nevertheless, Callisto shouldn't be ignored. If we ever go to explore the outer solar system, Callisto would make a perfect base. You see, orbiting at a distance of 1.9 million kilometers from Jupiter means that Callisto is located beyond Jupiter's main radiation belt, making its environment thousands of times more conducive to human exploration than its inner moons. Callisto also has a lot of water ice that can be used for propellant production, and of course is the staple to keep humans alive. Separating the hydrogen from oxygen also leaves oxygen for breathing. Callisto's geological stability would make for building structures on the surface relatively worry-free, and the lack of huge mountains or deep trenches means it's faster, easier, and more efficient to travel over. From Callisto, we could better explore the inner Jovian system from a safe distance, or use it as a way station for heading farther into the outer solar system. Lifting off from Callisto would be ideal thanks to its low gravity, and you could get a gravity assist from a close flyby of Jupiter. It's true that this is a futuristic prospect, although if we ever do become a spacefaring species, this is a distinct possibility. With any luck, we'll get that from the European Space Agency's Jupiter Icy Moon Explorer, due to launch in 2022, which will reach the Jovian system by 2030 and will explore Jupiter and 3 of its largest moons, Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa.